Welcome back to VTV News. Now, a class to foster talented math students recently opened at the University of Natural Sciences, National University of Hanoi. The class is designed and taught by an exchange professor from the US. Let's hear more about him and his class in the following report.
Today is the first day of the class named Research Experience for Undergraduates, specifically designed for talented students at the University of Natural Sciences. This is the third course that Professor Moshe Rosenfeld, visiting professor from University of Washington, Tacoma, United States, has taught in Vietnam. Since the class is about research skills, his teaching methods are different.
Well, first of all, I plan not to do any teaching at all. I plan the students to do all the work. It is a class that is going to be driven by curiosity, by the desire to solve problems. My role in this class is to offer them some problems. I will encourage them to find problems that they are interested in. And then I plan to go through the various steps of what we do today, what we call research, from the point of view of just starting with the problem, make sure that we understand, going through the process of solving it, to lead hopefully to a publication in scientific journals.
In this class, students will develop their analytical skills in terms of solving math problems and ways to present a research paper to the public. Students from the class are selected from first year to senior classes. However, they all share the same hopes when joining the class.
I think this class will be very helpful since it will give us more chances to learn about mathematics, especially global mathematics, a science that has developed great application.
Vietnamese students have long been considered good at theory but not practical application. Therefore, such a class model with lots of teacher-student interaction is necessary.
Professor Moshe wants to teach us how to become a researcher since we are already in our fourth year. We'll study research methods, how to write a paper and present it to others, and that means a lot of interaction.
I think one idea is to look around to countries close by, and what you will see is that the real reason for their success is the government decision to invest in education. That means develop facilities, develop labs, develop programs that channel the students to do applied things.
Professor Rosenfeld is on his third teaching course in Vietnam, made possible through a professor exchange program by the Vietnam Education Fund. This type of class is among many models that are expected to improve the learning experience for top students. With more students able access to an interactive and practical learning methods, the greater the contribution to a more creative and highly applied educational environment.
Student dropout rates in Vietnam's